Okay. So, first of all, this is my cat. His name's Bam Bam. Say hi, Bam. Okay, and so I'm doing a documentary while you set up a camera, and then with me and my twin brother, which is not here at the moment, he's getting ready for Airsoft war. You document yourself, and I'm a little cheap. With Nerf guns, we use these as rocket launchers. Because we filled the Nerf bolts up with BBs, well, I've got something else coming for them. Okay, so these are for BB guns, not airsoft, BB. Bring my BB gun and you shoot him. What? It's off roll. You ready for this fight? Bring it on. You have 60 seconds to run. And have the fuck. Kill you like Michael Myers. Guys, I did something really bad. Ooh, mushroom. I hate my brother so much, so I'm gonna kill him today. So I have to hide somewhere. I'll hide behind this thing. This thing should protect me except for my underbody. But I filled this with real bullets. This is a real MP9. Just looks like an airsoft gun. I'm gonna kill him. 39! 60! Time to kill you! What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! I'm gonna call mom on you! Mom! Devin ran away. He told me that he hurt himself. So that's why there's that blood all over the grass.